This week's CCJ Tech Shorts highlights enhancements to a driver safety solution, a fleet optimization platform's new features, and more. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's Tech Editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Cipia, a provider of AI-powered driver fatigue and distraction detection solutions, has introduced new advanced driver assistance system capabilities to its safety-focused video telematics solution for fleets. This new offering on the Cipia FS10 solution includes forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and tailgating detection powered by a road-facing camera. The aftermarket solution also monitors drivers with a driver-facing camera for driver fatigue, distraction, phone use, smoking, and seatbelt violations. It provides real-time alerts to drivers while equipping fleet managers with detailed analytics. The device's AI-driven data insights enable fleet managers to optimize operations, reduce liability costs, and improve compliance with safety regulations. By monitoring both the driver and the road, it delivers real-time, actionable insights to mitigate risks, prevent accidents, and improve driver performance. In addition to enhancing safety, it also helps fleets reduce operational costs associated with accidents, vehicle downtime, and insurance premiums. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration has opened applications for grant funding that could total over $86 million. The funding is for projects that advance the technological capability and promote the deployment of intelligent transportation system applications for commercial motor vehicle operations and CMV safety-related activities. FMCSA Deputy Administrator Ben White said, "By supporting innovative technologies and safety education, these grants empower our partners to address unique safety challenges and reduce risk for commercial motor vehicle drivers and the traveling public alike." 5 grants are available in the fiscal year 2025 application cycle, and applications are due on March 7th. Applications are open through the FMCSA's High Priority Innovative Technology Deployment Grant Program and the High Priority Commercial Motor Vehicle Safety Grant Program. Fleet software company Fleetio launched a host of new features and expanded its strategic partnerships, ending 2024 with more than 1 million vehicles managed on its fleet optimization platform. The platform launched Fleetio Go in Spanish so Spanish-speaking fleets could more effectively manage maintenance workloads. Within its Fleetio Go app, it also launched a new payment method for repairs across its maintenance shop network. The rollout of its repair order notifications and shop network statuses enhanced Fleetio's shop network experience through new notification options and real-time repair shop availability. Its new part warranties feature allowed users to track and flag warrantable parts in work orders, ensuring proper identification and follow-up. Fleetio also introduced service program automation to simplify the creation of complex service schedules based on odometer readings, engine hours, or calendar dates. And the launch of data connectors made it easier to extract Fleetio data such as service, fuel, and expense entries, inspection forms, parts, vehicles, and purchase orders, and send it to a third-party database for custom analytics. Fleetio also hired nearly 100 new employees and launched its inaugural Customer Advisory Board in 2024, bringing fleets together to share experiences and guide product roadmap. The company said it has an aggressive product, services, and marketplace roadmap for 2025, with a focus on providing fleets with tools for maintenance scheduling, cost management, and increased vehicle uptime. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.